Welcome to Awesome Code. Please subscribe to my channel and like my video. In this video, we are going to install Rust and write a Hello World program. So first, we are going to visit a Rust website. We can type on Google Rust, and here we can see Rust programming language. And if you don't want to install anything and just try or learn coding without installing on your system, you can go over here, click on a playground, and here you can type in the code and then run the code, and here you get the output, the result of the execution. If you want to install it on your system, then you can do that also. Here is the link to install. Click over there. And I'm going to install on my Ubuntu system. So I'm just going to copy from here and paste it on our terminal. And hit enter. And we will proceed with the standard installation. Just enter 1. So we can see this message, Rust is installed now. So Rust is installed on our system. We can create a file in our Visual Studio Code. Just we are going to create a new file. And we are going to name it test.rs. I will save it in my Rust folder. And now we are going to add Rust extensions. And we can search for Rust. So we are going to install extension for Rust, Rust Analyzer, and Rust Syntax. This extension will help us developing code for Rust, including syntax highlighting and other capabilities. Also, after the installation, we can check if the Rust compiler, Rust C, is on our system. We just type in Rust C and hit enter. And now we are going to check for cargo. And it's also there. So just clear this up and go to our IDE. And we are done installing those extensions. And now we can write a simple code. And now we are going to write a function. To create a function, we need to type in fn and then a function name. So our will be main function. You can have any name for the function. Function now has a block of codes, and you can call that block of code by this function name. So we are just going to print something. So we are going to do print line with the exclamation point, and then we are just going to print hello world. And we can just run our code, and here is the output, hello world. You may need to restart your ID after the installation of Rust. To keep on learning, please subscribe to my channel Ask Input, like my video, keep supporting me, and thank you for watching.